remember earlier we told you about the high-stakes meeting between US Vice President J.D. Vance and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The USTR has also confirmed that they have finalized the terms of reference to lay down the roadmap for negotiations on bilateral trade. But remember, Vance and other senior officials will be in India for another 3 days. Sumita is joining us to tell us what's left on his agenda.
Yes, in fact, the focus is now shifted from New Delhi to right here in Jaipur, which is where United States Vice President J.D. Vance is scheduled to deliver an address later in the day. But before we go on to all of those developments and updates, let me show you here several of these outdoor hoardings, etc., have come up that are welcoming the Vice President to in Jaipur. In fact, later in the day, as you can see on the hoarding as well, the United States Vice President is all set to meet with the Rajasthan Chief Minister and Rajasthan Governor as well. And of course, on the other side of the road, I can show you the Rajasthan International Centre. Well, this is the venue where J.D. Vance is expected to give an address at around 3:30 p.m. And of course, arrangements are currently underway. There is beautification of the venue happening. Significant police and security presence has been made here in view of the upcoming address from J.D. Vance. Remember, the two sides, yesterday, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and J.D. Vance met with officials from both the Indian administration and the United States administration. Both sides expressed satisfaction over the way the ties between the two nations have developed over the past couple of months, especially since Donald Trump came into power, and there was a joint statement that was released earlier this year. So both sides agreed on the specifics of the joint statement, which is related to energy ties, trade ties, bilateral trade agreement, and how that is also being fast-tracked, and of course energy ties as well. So there was the talk around all of these matters. The Prime Minister also in the statement that was issued stated that he's looking forward to hosting United States Vice President Donald Trump later this year when India hosts the Quad Summit. But an important development on the United States-India bilateral trade front that has come in, and that is the United States Trade Representative, USTR, has welcomed the move that both the sides, India and US, have finalized terms of reference so far as negotiating further aspects of the bilateral trade agreement are concerned. Remember, this was a main concern to the United States about increasing market access, about tariff barriers and non-barriers, and all of those have been addressed in that terms of reference document, and now that has been agreed upon and by both sides. So as of now, J.D. Vance visited with his family to Amer Fort here in Jaipur, and of course at around 3 p.m. he is expected to deliver that address right behind me at this venue, Rajasthan International Centre.
All right.